Hey guys, this is Second Gentleman. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install MKBHD Black theme for Samsung Galaxy Note 9. This works on any Samsung devices as long as you are on Android Oreo or later. So the first step is to hold on home screen, then click on themes. Make sure you have signed in to your Samsung account. Then click on theme tab. On search type MKBHD. Then it should display the theme. If not, the link is going to be in the description. This theme is totally free, so no need to worry about trial version. The theme is amazing, solid black, perfect, and surprisingly it lowers the consumption on battery life. Honestly, the battery I'm getting is 6 to 7 hours with moderate usage, in addition enjoying the amazing animation of this theme when opening the device. Anyways, hope you like this video and peace out.